Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. In the world of high-speed marine propulsion and naval engineering, the gas turbine stands out as a masterpiece of power density and efficiency. Unlike the slow, heavy beat of a traditional diesel engine, the gas turbine operates on a continuous flow process known as the Brayton cycle. This thermodynamic cycle is the foundation of how these machines convert fuel into massive amounts of rotational energy to drive propellers or water jets. The journey begins at the air intake, where massive volumes of ambient air are drawn into the axial flow compressor. As the air moves through successive stages of rotating blades and stationary vanes, its pressure and temperature rise significantly. This is the first stage of the Brayton cycle, known as isentropic compression. In a well-designed marine gas turbine, the compressor must be robust enough to handle the salt-laden air of the ocean, requiring sophisticated filtration systems to prevent fouling and corrosion. Once the air is highly compressed, it enters the combustion chamber. Here fuel is injected and ignited in a continuous flame. This stage represents the isobaric heat addition part of the cycle, where the air expands rapidly under constant pressure. The design of the combustor is critical for ensuring complete combustion and minimizing harmful emissions like nitrogen oxides while maintaining a stable flame at high velocities. The resulting high-temperature, high-pressure gas stream then rushes into the turbine section. As these hot gases expand through the turbine blades, they transfer their kinetic energy to the shaft, causing it to rotate at high speeds. This is the isentropic expansion phase of the cycle, which provides the power to keep the compressor running and the excess torque needed to drive the ship propulsion system through a reduction gearbox. Finally, the exhaust gases are discharged into the atmosphere, representing the final stage of the cycle, where heat is rejected at constant pressure. For ship operations, the advantages of a gas turbine include a very high power-to-weight ratio and the ability to start up and reach full power much faster than a steam or diesel plant. However, operators must be mindful of the high fuel consumption at lower speeds, which is why many ships use a combined diesel and gas configuration. Maintaining the efficiency of the Brayton cycle in a marine environment requires constant monitoring of the exhaust gas temperature and the compressor discharge pressure. If the compressor blades become coated with salt or soot, the efficiency of the compression stage drops, and the entire cycle consumes more fuel for the same power output. Regular water washing of the compressor is a standard operational procedure to restore performance. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.